In-depth analysis of long-term savings accounts, securing your financial future. In today's economic climate, planning for the future with long-term savings accounts is more critical than ever. These accounts are far more than just places to store money. They are dynamic tools designed to secure long-term financial stability and growth. Whether it's funding a child's education, acquiring a home, or ensuring a comfortable retirement, understanding and choosing the right long-term savings account is crucial for meeting these financial milestones. What defines a long-term savings account? Long-term savings accounts are tailored for storing funds that are not required in the immediate future. They differ significantly from short-term savings accounts by focusing on future goals that could be several years away. The power of compounding interest in these accounts means that initial deposits can grow exponentially over time, making them a cornerstone for any serious financial planning strategy. The critical need for long-term savings. Long-term savings accounts serve a broad spectrum of future financial plans. For young families, these accounts can be pivotal in planning for children's higher education expenses through vehicles like 529 plans or education savings accounts, ESAs. For others, these accounts offer a pathway to achieving long-term goals such as purchasing a dream home or building a retirement fund that ensures security and comfort in the later years. Exploring the spectrum of long-term savings accounts. The variety of long-term savings options is vast, each tailored to different financial needs and objectives. High-yield savings accounts. These accounts offer significantly higher interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts, making them ideal for those who wish to grow their savings actively without the restrictions typically associated with CDs. Certificates of deposit. CDs offering a fixed interest rate over a specified term. CDs can range from short-term commitments of a few months to long-term investments spanning several years. The appeal of CDs lies in their higher potential interest rates, which come with the trade-off of decreased liquidity. Individual retirement accounts, IRAs essential for retirement planning. IRAs come in two main types, traditional and Roth, each offering distinct tax advantages that can optimize retirement savings based on when you prefer to take tax benefits. Employer-sponsored retirement accounts, such as 401(k), S, and 403(b), These plans are not only instrumental in retirement planning, but often include employer matching contributions, which can significantly accelerate the growth of retirement funds. Choosing the ideal long-term savings account. Selecting the appropriate long-term savings account involves careful consideration of several factors. Interest rates and potential returns. The growth potential of your savings is directly influenced by interest rates, making this a crucial factor in your choice of account. Fees. Operational fees can diminish the earnings from your savings, emphasizing the importance of selecting accounts with low or no fees. Tax implications. Different savings accounts come with varying tax benefits, which can significantly impact your overall financial planning. Accessibility. Consider how accessible your funds need to be, as some accounts may impose penalties for early withdrawals, affecting your liquidity. Strategies to maximize returns from long-term savings accounts. To truly benefit from long-term savings accounts, adopting specific strategies is essential. Rate comparison. Vigilantly compare interest rates and terms across different financial institutions to ensure you are getting the best deal possible. Understanding penalties. Be fully aware of any penalties for early withdrawal from accounts like CDs, which can negate interest earnings. Diversification. Spread your savings across various account types to mitigate risks and take advantage of different growth potentials and tax benefits. Regular reviews. Continuously assess and adjust your savings strategy to align with evolving economic conditions and personal financial circumstances. Conclusion. Long-term savings accounts are indispensable tools for anyone looking to build and secure their financial future. By thoughtfully selecting the right types of accounts and strategically managing them, individuals can ensure they are well prepared for future financial needs. Frequently asked questions. Which savings account is best for long-term goals? The choice depends on your specific financial objectives. IRAs are typically preferred for retirement savings, while 529 plans are ideal for education expenses. What are the main types of long-term savings accounts? Popular choices include high-yield accounts, money market accounts, and certificates of deposit. What can long-term savings accounts be used for? Common uses include saving for retirement, funding education, purchasing real estate, and covering significant future expenditures.